We've been missing this for a long time.
It's news many in South Winnipeg have been waiting for. A new emergency department is scheduled to begin construction here at the Victoria Hospital.
It never made sense to me that I had to drive past a hospital in my own neighborhood to reach an emergency room somewhere else in the city. Soon, it'll be just a 5-minute drive to the Victoria ER.
Manitoba's premier says they'll award the construction contract this month and have shovels in the ground by March.
This is a fast-growing part of our province, and it deserves to have its own emergency room.
The province says it will include additional inpatient beds, expanded diagnostic capacity, and what's called a high observation unit.
One nurse for one patient. It has the highest level of diagnostics and medical equipment at the bedside for patients. It resembles an ICU in any way that you or I would notice.
But the president of the Manitoba Nurses Union warns against conflating the two.
Patients that are critically ill that need a very high level of care will need to be transferred to either the HSC, the Grace, or St. Boniface, where they have an ICU.
It's been 8 years to the day that Victoria's emergency room closed to become an urgent care centre as part of the Progressive Conservatives' plan to consolidate health care. Reopening them was part of the NDP's campaign promises, and they now believe they have the staff, with nearly 3,400 net new healthcare workers across the province, to open this ER. But Jackson is less optimistic. She questions the province's numbers on nurses specifically.
I get calls from nurses all the time saying, where are these nurses? Because I'm still working overtime. I'm still been mandated. We're still working short. We have vacant positions that aren't filled.
The province says a new mature women's centre will open alongside the emergency department, and the Ann Oak Family Recovery Centre will also begin construction soon. Meanwhile, the first phase of construction of the emergency department at St. Boniface Hospital was completed this week. It's expected to be fully functional next year. In Winnipeg, Steph Lasuk, City News.